How to disable dark mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to disable dark mode on YouTube. Disabling dark mode on YouTube means switching the interface from a dark background with lighter text to a light background with darker text. So to disable dark mode on YouTube, first open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a gear. From the settings, tap the General section. Underneath General, you'll see an option for Appearance. Tap on it. A menu will pop up. You'll see an option for Light Theme. Just tap on it and YouTube will switch to light mode on your mobile device. As you can see, dark mode is now disabled. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode, just follow the same steps and choose the dark theme option. That's all you need to do to disable dark mode on YouTube. By following these steps, you can enjoy your favorite videos in the classic light theme. And this is how to disable dark mode on YouTube. If you have any questions about disabling dark mode on YouTube, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.